So you should remember from last time we did notes that M was your slope, which is rise over run, and B was your y-intercept. So where that line goes through the y-axis. So this is what you actually did after the notes last time. I kind of tricked you, right? We did notes on something else, and then you saw this, and you're like, what's going on? But you guys got it. So we're going to do like one, maybe two examples of this, and then we're going to move on. So the biggest thing that I want you to realize here is when we did this on those pages, you know, there weren't necessarily numbers, but they went by ones. Whereas if you look here, this is not 10 lines. So these are not going by ones. If you look at it, 1, 2, 3, 4, oh, that doesn't work. Okay, so these are actually going by twos. These are actually going by twos, okay? But we're going to do it the same way. I'm going to start at my left point, and because the graph goes down, I'm going to go down. I'm going to start at my right point, and I'm going to go left. So I always start with the y-intercept. You can start with the slope. It doesn't really matter. This graph goes through the y-axis at 0. This is the y-axis. This is your line. It touches at 0. The slope is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 over 2. And again, I'm getting that because every box does not mean 1 in this case. It means 2. And then when I reduce that, that'll give me 6. So if I plug that into my equation, I'd have y equals 6x plus 0, or just y equals 6x. Okay? I don't even want to look at the second one. I want to look at the second page. All right? And let's look at this one right here. Okay? So again, it's going by twos. So this is 2, 4, 6, 8. But look, this whole thing goes to 2. So as you do your slope, we need to keep that in mind. Okay? So if you want to get technical, these are going by 0.5s. So I'm going up 2, 4, 6, and over 0.5, 1, 1.5, 2, which is 3. My y-intercept for this one is still 0, just like the other one. So we have y equals, I put that, my bad, on that first page, this should have been a negative. That's my fault. I just realized that. My fault. All right. This should be 3x plus 0, or just 3x. Okay? So how we do this is we say we are going to find the y-intercept or slope. Then you find the other one, right? If I found y-intercept first, then I would find slope second. If I found slope first, I would find y-intercept second. And then I'm just going to plug it into y equals mx plus b, where m is my slope and b is my y-intercept. Okay? And again, you already did things on this. I'm not worried about it.